Welcome to the UDP archiving video learning series. This video describes how to use exception rules. Exception rules helps organizations set a policy to manage storage and avoid unwanted emails from being archived. When a company does not want to archive certain messages, an administrator can set rules for their organization to remove these messages as they are being processed in the UDP archiving. Some examples include known spam messages and system-generated emails. An exception rule is applicable to only those messages that are added to archiving after creation of related exception rule. As a result, it is important that we set exception rules before configuring email archiving on the mail server. If not configured, then emails are archived based on the default retention settings and purged only after meeting the number of days mentioned in the retention settings at the time of archiving. To add exception rules, log in as administrator or master admin, and from the left pane click Archive Exception Rules. From Archive Exceptions Rules page, click Add an Exception Rule. Multiple fields are available to create an exception rule. Using From Email Address and To Email Address fields, we can provide email IDs whose messages we do not want to archive. In subject field, we can add a subject line, and messages having the same subject line will not be archived. In message size field, we can enter a number and select the icon of greater than, smaller than, or equal to. As a result, any message that matches the message size parameter will not be archived. Entering a name in attachment name ensures that any email having the matching attachment name will not be archived. For one rule, we can only enter details of one parameter. We can enter the detail for one parameter and click Add. The exception rule is created. After adding an exception rule, we must click Apply Changes. We cannot modify an exception rule, but we can delete the rule. We can create multiple exception rules and keep the storage space free of unwanted emails.